In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable Zoom option in Google Chrome. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to any website you want to view more clearly. Once Chrome is open, move your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. There you will see the three vertical dots. Click those three dots to open the menu. When the menu appears, look for the section labeled Zoom. You will usually see a minus icon, a plus icon, and a percentage in the middle that shows the current zoom level. To enlarge the Chrome screen for better website viewing, click the plus icon. Each click increases the zoom level, making the contents of the page appear larger. You can keep clicking until the website reaches a size that feels comfortable for you. As you do this, text, images, and page elements will become easier to see. Once you have reached your desired size, you can close the menu and continue browsing normally. Chrome will immediately show the website at the zoom level you selected, so there is nothing else you need to save or apply. That covers everything you need to know.